Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Let's go ahead and do another problem on adding rational expressions number or 1c. We did number 3 a little while ago. Let's jump down to what? Let's just do 7. How about that? So what am I doing? I'm looking at my two rational expressions. I'm checking if the denominators match. And they do, which means my first step, I'm just going to bring the denominator down the way it looks right now. Remember, you don't add the denominators, they can stay how they are. Then I'm going to add the numerators. I have an x squared and x squared, which gives me 2x squared. I have a 3x and a 10x, which gives me 13x. And I have a 15 and 5, which gives me 20. Now, this is what on the numerator we would call this a quadratic trinomial, where a is not 1, right? I have a is 2 here, b is 13, and c is 20. So I know when I factor, I'm going to not just use my x, I'm actually going to need my x in my box. So let's go ahead and set that up. For my x, with a times c at the top, I'd have 2 times 20 is 40. b on the bottom, I'm going to have 13. And the numbers that work here are going to be 8 and 5. Now, when a is 1, that's all you have to do for factoring. But a is not 1 here. A is 2. And so whenever a is not 1, I need to then go further using my box. And what am I going to put here? Well, I just put the first term, the x squared term, 2x squared on the top left. I just put the last term, the plus 20, on the bottom right. And then the numbers I found, 8 and 5, they become 8x and 5x. So now I need to figure out what goes on the outside. Since to make 2x squared, it's probably going to be 2x times x. And I don't want that 2 in front because it's going to make it hard to do 5x. So I'll put the 2x on the top and the x in front. Now to go from 2x to 8x, I need to multiply by positive 4. To go from x to 5, I need 5x, I need to multiply by positive 5. And so that's my factored form, which means I can now rewrite my problem with this factored form in my numerator. X plus 4 times 2x plus 5 on the top. On the bottom, I have still x plus 5 and x plus 4. And I see that the thing that matches that I can cancel is the x plus 4s. So from here and here, they're gone. That leaves me with a final answer of 2x plus 5 over x plus 5. And no, you cannot cancel out that 5. You can't cancel over addition. So this is my final answer. All right, so go ahead and finish off this thing. On the next worksheet, we're finally going to see what do we do when the denominators do not match. So finish this one up first, though.